In this video, I'll be going over what is setting in a story. Setting is a literary device that establishes time, location, and environment of a story. It creates the world in which the story takes place. Sometimes the setting can also be the antagonist of a story. An example, the movie 127 Hours. Don't forget to check out my kids' books that are located on Amazon and on Kindle. These are two kids' books and they are already self published. So take a look at them. And if you have Kindle, you get them for free. Here are three types of settings: cities, environmental, and time periods. I hope you've been taking notes because we're jumping into the three setting examples. For cities, we have New York, Tokyo, Rome, Hong Kong, Los Angeles, Las Vegas, and Amsterdam. Environmental examples: you have the beach, mountains, islands, jungle, outer space, desert, and war zones. Some time period examples are World War I, Ancient Greece, Roaring Twenties, Cold War, Dark Ages, World War II, and Middle Ages. If you guys are getting valuable information from this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe so I can keep pumping out this amazing content. Now let's jump back into the video, guys. Now let's dive into the importance of setting. This will help establish the mood or the tone, provides context to other story elements like plot, characters, theme, and enhances individual scenes within the story's plot.
Please don't forget me.
So let's jump into your homework. Write a story about where the setting is the antagonist of your main character. Remember, always be writing, always be reading, and embrace rewriting. Question of the video: what are good settings that can be the antagonist? Comment those down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you got some valuable content and information that you can use for your creative writing stories. If you want to watch any more creative writing lessons, check out the playlist or video above, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys on my next lessons. Thank you.